Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Ka Deputy Commissioner RM Korba jongka East Khas Hills kalapan mi hukum bakan thung ya ka jing token ka magisterial inquiry ha ka jingjia bamdu ka ding ka blaklang ya ka shlam trekam ka Shillong Bar Association men ha ka arp South Rek mit singi sajjan. Habayo banyak kran syakilat pathai khubor ka kong RM Korba kaya thu baro ka wei ka ying trekam jong ka Bar Association kala sya bamdu ha ka ding bad baro ki kot kisla jing tho ki bakenthum ya ka kor bad ya keyboard komputer kila ing khong khan kala long ka jingdu nong ya kinong ya sajan ya thu ka DC na kalyang ka Shillong Bar Association kala ai jing ujor ha ka thanat pulin banlap ya ka daw jong ka jing ing Shushu ka DC kala ya thu baka ai hukum bandon ka jing token ya ka te ka jing jia ya ka balakli da ibi wa lang banle bat la benram ka jing pru jong ka Bar Association le se la bandai na ka jing thon jong ka boarding electric namar ka de ka ying ka barim bat ka de ka ying ding nadu ki por phareng Habayo banyakran berucokida ubola prasad yadaf uyathu hadu prab jimin mit lakhang tala omdan briu hapo bat kinong yasat kila deb nadu kahnyo baji na kalyang ka menteri padai pej ekatnat kam an ka Dr. Amperin Emlingdo ka bladep jurip ka yathu ba ka sorkar jila haringkat umentri rangba u konrat ke sangma kaladep syong jingyalang ban perkhat e kani ka kam Shushu katnat menta kadang wat jaka ya menta shipor banyo pelong office kat ba ompat la ban shnat mai bat penkhut ya kate kabalaplu.
It will come nearly 1,000 with the
1,000
newcomers,
newcomers with the
newcomers also which haven't entered. It's difficult to say, but nearly 1,000.
do you have some original documents?
Yes, original documents.
But original documents you
Not all, but to some lawyers. Original documents.
I think here before when they start getting born, at what time you get information? Yeah.
At 10:30, one of my friends called and informed me that the bar got fired. So at that time I came rushing and here 5 rupees was already here.
Is there any laptop?
Laptop is here, printers, Xerox machines, the stamp vendors are here, the private typists also are here, who depends the earning from here.
So yesterday, last night, CM had came here, and any from CM had given something for to make again.
Yeah, because CM has came here, but at that time the presidents and the secretary they have a talk with him, not with me.
This morning, and I was pleased to be sitting with all the representatives of the Bar Association of Shillong, met the President, General Secretary and other members as well. It has been brought to our active notice that lawyers now need alternative relocationing. We are on the job. I will be having a discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister, who himself visited the location at the time when the blaze was very active. So yes, they want a relocation. We are considering some of the options given to us by them. Number two, we need now to immediately raise the erstwhile building. Though it was a heritage building, very unfortunate. Over 300 plus lockers of lawyers at various capacities, and so this is something which we will have to immediately consider, and we are already in the pipeline thinking of redeveloping that area. It's just that this unfortunate incident now fast tracks that entire plan of the government. We will definitely attend to these issues and problems, and Honorable Chief Minister himself is handling this entire crisis and ensuring that we are able to adequately relocate these lawyers, number one. Number two, see what needs to get done. Number three, try immediately to raise a building in the same location.
Question to DC, will you be
Already have done that. Pak Walang will be the magistrate to conduct the inquiry.
So we have similar incident. We had the similar incident in the past, and you have recommended so many initiatives. Why is it happening again and again?
This is, actually these are accidents which are unpredictable. That's why they are accidents. And of course, as per the preliminary inquiry last night, it was a short circuit, and plus being an old building, so definitely, the fire got up very fast.
Okay.